Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Kubernetes on Raspberry Pi. So till now what we have done is that we have installed Dockers in both our devices, we have disabled the swap, we have edited the cmd line txt file. Now is the time to install Kubernetes. So as per this article, we are done with the installation of the Dockers, we have disabled the swap, we have edited this file, and now it's time to install the Kubernetes. So these are the commands which you need to install the Kubernetes on Raspberry Pi. So I'll simply copy this command and paste these commands in both of my devices. Okay, this is done. Now let's go ahead and copy the another command. This is also done. Now we need to simply update our device. Now once this is done, we need to run the command apt-get install kubeadm. But let's remove this q from the command. Okay, so the Kubernetes installation is done now, and we have successfully installed the Kubernetes. After the installation of the Kubernetes, the next thing which we need to do is initialize our master device and the worker device. So we'll do that in the next video, and I guess that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions regarding this.